Alright, quick video here because there should be a coal train coming sooner or later because I've chased it up here from Townley. Anyways, so as you can see, they've replaced the signals over here at County Road 31 in Winfield. So still gateless, but the first signal here, it has a Siemens base. Then we got the emergency information as the dot number 667473X. Then we got the lights, which are all safe trans 12 by 24-inch lights with dialight ball LEDs. You can see right there, there's the back of one of the heads. Up on top is the General Signals Type 3 electronic bell. No idea why they replaced these rather than the Griswolds on the other side of town. My guess personally is because these had 4-inch masts and those Griswolds are 5-inch masts. I won't be too surprised if BNSF was getting rid of their 5-inch mast, their 4-inch mast signals for one reason or another. Anyways, here's the other overview. Here's the other side of the crossing looking north. Here's the other signal. Branch is identical to the first. It's got a Siemens base, emergency information. Because I mean, this one had slightly newer signals along with the one out there in Beaverton, but those got replaced. Then we got the lights here. These are more safe trend 12 by 24-inch lights with dialight ball LEDs, as you can see up there. And of course, we got the Safe Trend logo right back there. And up top, we got another General Signals electronic bell. I'm assuming both the bells here are Type 3s. Right over there is, of course, the approach wayside signal. There's a little dragging equipment detector right here, it looks like. And of course, right here is the new relay case. It also looks like this was reused from somewhere, or for whatever reason, BNSF went ahead and took off the information from it, but I don't know. Anyways, I'm gonna head over to the next crossing over because I also got new signals replacing the 80s BN gated signals there, unfortunately. So yeah, I'm just gonna get this. I'm gonna go get that documented and see about catching the coal train once more. Over.